Hello guys, review Motorola Edge 50, this version 12GB memory and 512GB storage. Okay, open box, look completion. In completion we have protected back cover, Type-C to Type-C cable and documentary. On this, without charger, okay, pink color we have. Yellow pink color, triple camera on the back side. On the front side 6.7-inch display, power button and wall buttons on this side. Downside Type-C port, speaker and slot for nano SIM card. Turn on. Okay, we have Android 14. Android 14. Display POLED, 120 Hz, Full HD Plus resolution. Open Geekbench 6. Talk about system information. We have Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 and GPU Adreno 644. Look results. Good results we have. Okay, look into the benchmark results. Yes, PUBG Mobile works on the high graphic level. And now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.